Who is this one disturbing my line this hot afternoon? Hello? Who is this? Mr. Richard from bank. Okay. How are you? Yes, this is I Chief Orimogun, yeah? Yes. Oh, good. Okay? You are calling me in respect of my account. Okay, what happened to my account? My account is zero balance for almost a year now. And so? If I did not put money, you will close down my account. Are you not in Nigeria? Are you not? Even to eat now is difficult. You are talking of coming to deposit in your bank. You are saying it's ordinary my name that is remaining on my account. You are a fool. You are very, very stupid for that statement. You are a fool. If you are a good Christian, you shouldn't be. The name you just called ordinary, do you know how precious that name is? Let me ask you, by the way, are you a Christian? Okay, if you are a Christian, go and open your Bible to Proverbs 22 verse 1. What did he say? What did Proverbs say? You are a fool. Get out of my phone.
Jesus.